皆さんはオレオクッキー好きですか？今日はそのオレオクッキーを使って自分の意見を言う練習をします。
Hey everybody! Welcome back to another Gengo Lingo mini lesson. We've got another how-to video for you. This one is really going to help you give your opinion in a professional way.
Yeah.
Yeah. But of course, we can use this for any situation, just talking with your friends or talking to your boss.
Yeah, exactly. Right? And it's called, or the magic tool is called
OREO.
OREO.
Yes.
Does everybody know what an OREO cookie is?
Yeah.
It's like chocolate cookie,
Of course.
white filling chocolate cookie.
Yes.
Yes.
So that has a certain pattern to it, right? So it's like A, B, A. Right. So the start and the end are the same.
Yeah, it's like a sandwich.
Right.
Yes.
So that's what we've got today. We've
Right.
got the OREO method. O, opinion.
Yep. R,
Reason.
E,
E.
example.
Yes. I also use expand.
Oh, okay.
Or
Yeah.
elaborate. And then O is opinion.
Opinion.
Again.
Yeah. So by using this method, especially in a business context, it makes your opinion sound professional, like Jeff said. It gives it some clout.
Yes.
Right.
Clout.
Yes.
This is my opinion.
Yeah, right. So, and also, but when you are, talking about something with your friends and you're agreeing or disagreeing, right, by giving an opinion and then stating your example, stating your reason and your example, it makes your opinion a bit like stronger. Okay, shall we give an example?
Of course.
Okay.
Examples are good.
Yes. So, would you like to practice the OREO method?
Okay, sure. All right, Maui, do you have a question for me?
Yes, I
Okay.
do. Well, today is, towards the end of October, right? So Halloween is coming up.
Yeah.
Yeah, we know that Jeff likes Halloween.
Yes.
It's an
17
understatement.
other people know that too.
So let's ask Jeff about Halloween.
Okay.
Okay?
Yep.
Why do you like Halloween?
Why? Well, Halloween is really fun. It's fun because people can dress up, be creative, act in a different way from their regular personality. We also get candy. Very important.
Bonus.
And it's good for children and adults. We can all celebrate together or in separate parties. That is why I think Halloween is great.
Yeah.
Did you guys catch the OREO? Did
Yeah.
you catch all the different parts?
Yeah, he added a lot of details to expand or elaborate on his opinion.
All right.
Yeah.
Yes. Well, Halloween is really fun. It's fun because people can dress up, be creative, act in a different way from their regular personality. We also get candy. Very important.
Bonus.
And it's good for children and adults. We can all celebrate together or in separate parties. That is why I think Halloween is great.
So now I truly believe
Yeah?
that you like Halloween.
Right.
Yeah.
Yes. Can I point out? So that gave it, like that whole OREO makes it sound pretty professional. If I'm chatting with my friends, maybe I wouldn't put in that last O.
Yeah, right.
Maybe I would do an ORE.
Yeah. But yeah, that's a good point, right? Because it's kind of like a structure. And it's not that when you're talking to your friends, お友達と話しているときに別にね、OREO 言わないとってちょっと話すと堅苦しくなってしまうので、その最後の O を言わないだけで it becomes more natural, right? Just
Yeah,
to
more
not say
natural.
that last O.
Yeah, that's right.
Right?
That's right.
But another thing I want to point out is if Jeff just said, like, if I said, why do you like Halloween? And he said, oh, it's fun.
It's fun.
It's good. And he didn't say anything else, I would be like, okay.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, O. Only the O.
ちょっと物足りないですよね。
Yeah,
ね、
that's
なん
not
か
a conversation starter.
そ
No.
うただ楽しいからとか、いいからだけじゃなくて、その理由も言ったことで私が理解できました。I understand why you like it.
That's right. That's right. And it builds conversation. Maui can next agree with me or disagree, give me her opinion, and then we're off to the races. We got a great conversation going.
That's true.
Shall
Okay.
we do another example?
Sure.
Okay. Maui? I know you like to travel,
I do.
and we live here in Japan.
Yes.
So, would you rather travel by train or by airplane here in Japan? Thinking. That's a good question, Jeff.
Yeah, it's a good question.
Let me think about that.
I prefer to travel by train.
Ah,
Yes. Because in most cases, it's more convenient, right? For example, there's no waiting time and there's no security. I can just grab my bag, walk onto the train.
it's a beautiful thing.
Yes. And the trains here are on time, clean. Yeah. So it's like the best thing to travel by train.
That's right.
Yeah. So I think in Japan, I would always prefer to travel by train.
Okay, guys, that was a really good example. If you listened, you heard. She gave her opinion with I think. She gave her reason with because.
Yeah.
She gave her example with for example.
Yeah.
And then to her last O, I think she said, that's why.
why.
Okay, okay. Same
I'm very
page.
methodical.
Very good. But textbook, that's a great OREO.
I prefer to travel by train.
Ah,
Yes. Because in most cases, it's more convenient, right? For example, there's no waiting time and there's no security. I can just grab my bag, walk onto the train.
it's a beautiful thing.
Yes. And the trains here are on time, clean. Yeah. So it's like the best thing to travel by train.
That's right.
Yeah. So I think in Japan, I would always prefer to travel by train.
Very nice.
Okay.
Has everybody got it?
Yes.
Try this out. Make your own Oreos.
I think in the comments section, I'll add a couple of questions
idea.
that you
Yeah.
guys can practice
Yeah,
with.
excellent.
And then give us your Oreo.
Great.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Thanks, guys.
Thanks, guys.
See you next
Bye.
time. Bye.